This is a season. I want farmers to be very, very specific, and I want you to be very straight, like the way you see Hamiisi does his work. Where I am, we are on onset of the rain. I'm at the farm, and if you see this area, I gazetted it. Show them the whole of this area. That's a boa section, but this area I gazetted it for as my silo point, where I keep my feeds. Actually, this area I think is around maybe probably 100 by maybe 20 and also 50 up. It's just in that kind of arrangement. It's not a straight point area. This area is a silo point, so you people who dig the pits, you know, underground, that this is what we are supposed to do. You do a pit, do silage, those are your problems. Me, I'm here just to show you the simplicity of the business. Some guys already say, Hamiisi, thank you so much because you simplify all our work. But the fact is, select an area which is bare, just like the way you see. If you are chopping your grass, like the way we plant alfalfa, chloris, sugar grass, like the way I'm going to show you, because that's a silo of sugar grass. And we just select anywhere. So the reason why we fenced off this, because we don't want animals to come in and then start tapping into our feeds before we are ready to serve it to them. So in this area, if we fill up a silo of this size, I think we shall have over 20 million kilos, like here. And just guess what? How many animals can be fed on that? I don't want you to take things very light if you really want to do business, because many people have failed. They work very, very well during the rainy season, and then the dry spell, they completely go wrong. You get? This is what I do. Now we are in the season of the rain. This sugar grass you see, I've talked about it long time. We've done silage out of it. In this business, this machine you see, this is a chopper. This is a magic maker. This, if you really want to do commercial farming, you need to have this kind of machine. I want you to understand, take my things very serious. This is a magic machine. This machine does the chopping of the silage, you know, those grasses. It chops it like the way you see. It can do broken maize. It can even crush the powder using the same machine. So it's a universal machine. So this is what you have first. Then secondly, this sugar grass you see, it's not that much, because we have been in a very serious rain, and it had taken 1.5 months to grow to this level. You remember, we harvested some time back, and we've been doing irrigation in this dry spell. But now we decided, even if it's 1.5 months, it had not even actually brought the very good grain and the height. But since the rain, the sunshine disturbed it, its growth rate was not as good as we wanted. So what we did on the onset of the rain, when it started to rain, we say we have to utilize the opportunity of the rain. What have we done? We have harvested the whole of it. We have made silage out of it. We have gotten a less, actually it's a less production, because it had not fully grown to what we wanted. But because we are tapping for a bigger output, because of the rain, we have harvested it, so that we ensile this and create an opportunity for the grass to regrow and give us a very big harvest. What am I trying to mean? If you have grass and it has been struggling during the dry spell, and you're seeing that you're entering into a rainy season, please cut that grass in whichever level it is. You harvest that and you create gap for that grass to regrow and gives you a better size. Why? Because the rain is on and the soil is fertile, so the performance is going to be better than the one you've been doing irrigation. Irrigation can do very well, and I cannot say that it's bad, but it requires a lot of money, and also being that we only do at night and during day, if the sunshine is on, it's going to be very hot. So that means all the water that you put yesterday, it is going to be warmed and actually evaporated. It's going to be evaporated, and then it goes away. The soil will again dry up till when you give it in another day. So that means the growth will not be as good as the rain. So for us, what we've done, harvest, make sure you have this. And then we are now waiting for what is going to come. So what am I trying to mean? What are the lessons learned in this video? One, get ready for the rainy season. How do you get ready for the rainy season? One, by preparing where to plant. Actually, what you see there, me, I've already prepared. I'm going to put more other chloris. That's around 5 acres of land. And I'm going to put some chloris there. Then, also in the garden, I have cut all the grass that was, struggling to grow during during the dry spell. I've cut it off, such that it regrows very well. With all the grasses that we plant, they regrow. You cut and it regrows. So now the opportunity, the rain started, I have harvested this, then I'm going to keep getting even bigger output. Why? Because the rain is on and we're going to have a lot. So lessons learned, guys. Do not play with rain. Don't be excited because the rain is on. Utilize the rain. Plant the grasses, harvest more grasses, make more silage. So that by the time when the dry spell comes in of 2 or 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, you're already set. Me, I already had more other silage when the rain started. And I've harvested this. I'm not going to feed it to the animals. And I'm going to keep harvesting more. So by the time the season of the rain collapses or ends, I'll have a lot that can take me through the dry spell. And two, don't just be excited. That's what I can maybe say. Don't be excited. Just be very focal and know what to plant during this season. So onset of the rain, planting all the pastures. If you have bigger land, well and good. But at a certain point, you will need to plant a certain grass that you do as supplementary. So that's what I really wanted to show you. So guys are putting molars on it. They are doing compaction, and we are going to cover. So after covering, I think we have around 7 tons here, 7 to 10 that we shall be using. Not now, but as time goes on. Let me just wish you the best, guys. Get prepared for the rainy season. It will definitely help us to achieve. Bye for now.